Are you tired of sticky notes full of password or reusing the same one for everything? Let's just tame the chaos with Python. Okay. So by the end of this video, you guys are going to learn about file handling, like how we can store logins safely, hash libs basics as well, like we're going to use hashing for master key. It's not a full-blown encryption yet, but just the gist of it. And then input and output, like we are going to get and save the user data in this case. Okay. So I'm just going to create a file. Let's call it as Password Tamer. I'm going to use the hash lib. So hash lib, it's a built-in library. Let's just print the message for the user. So welcome to Password Chaos Tamer. Okay. So first step is we're going to ask for master key. That basically will be hashed, so it is not stored in plain text. Okay. It's a basic of encryption. So I'm going to create a variable master key equal to input. So we can say set your master key. Okay, then I'm going to create another variable. Let's call it as hashed key. That is hash library dot sha256. This is good for us, so I'm going to say master key dot encode dot hexa or hexa digest, hex digest. Step number 2 is I will save the password. So that will be a variable site. So I'm going to say input, taking input from the user to enter the website name, password is input. So we're going to say here, enter the password. Let me just give some spaces here as well. We can also maybe look for the password length and all that. Just, a fun feedback on password strength. So we have if length is length of the password. If it is greater than or equal to 10, that's a good password. So I'm going to print out password strength is strong. Else, we're going to say it is not that strong. It's weak. We can say consider making it longer. Like that. All right. Third step is to save the file. So we can say with open password.txt text file, appendable, sorry, lowercase a, as file. File.write. So here, what's a site? And we can just display the password as well. Password. And let's go to the new line as well, like that. Then we can print out the message that the password saved successfully. Step number 4 is to retrieve the passwords as well. Let's just write that. So that will be another variable check key input. enter your master key to unlock saved passwords. So we can say if hash library security 256, so we can say check key dot encode dot hex digest is equal to hashed key. So I'm going to print out it matches, so access granted. Here are your saved logins. And let's go to the new line with open password.txt passwords .txt in a readable way are as file. We're going to print out file, sorry, should be file dot read. We can just say read as well. Okay, and then else we're going to go for print access denied. All right, so now let's run the code and see what will be the output here. So it's just going to say set your master key. So I'm going to write here my secret key. Into the website name, could be any website. You can use Facebook, Twitter, whatever website you want to save for. And I will say the password is super secure 123. So password is strong, it has been saved. And now it's asking for the master key here. So we have there my secret key and the password, and all the website that we have there, it will be shown here. And also it has generated this text file as well that will show you all the website with their password that you have saved. So thanks for watching this simple but yet secure password manager with Python. If you found this helpful, just give it a like and do not forget to subscribe for more coding tutorials. You can drop a comment below with your thoughts or any cool features that you want to add to this project. And just also please hit the notification bell to stay updated. And I will see you in the next video. Keep coding and stay safe. Bye.